This is going to be a quick video and I want to show you how to turn your boring clips into stunning 4K quality just like the TikTok edits you've seen. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Start by adding your clip to the timeline and then create a new adjustment layer. With the adjustment layer selected, add both Sharpen and Unsharp Mask effects to the adjustment layer. In fact, this type of edit is what I call over sharpen in my opinion. Change the sharpen amount to 10, Unsharp Mask amount to 25 and the radius to 10. Then add brightness and contrast effect to the adjustment layer. Change the brightness value to 40 and the contrast value to 25. Then add lumetri color to the adjustment layer. Extend the basic correction and increase the saturation until you're satisfied. Also make sure to increase a little bit of exposure, something like 0.2 is a good value. Then extend the creative tab and increase a little bit of vibrance, something like 25 is a good value. Also extend the color wheels and play around with these values until you achieve your desired result. So far you'll see the huge difference these effects have already made. Now to make it even better, you can also add a glow effect, but do not go too crazy with that. Just change the radius to 75 and intensity to 0.1. And for the last effect, just add CC vignette to the adjustment layer. Change the amount to 75 and the angle of view to 16. And now we can really see the huge difference these effects made to your clips. This is before adding the effects and this is after adding the effects. This was my quickest tutorial so far and I really hope I was able to help you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. And as always, never forget to subscribe to Adobe Simplified. See you in the next one. Bye.